In the heart of Jakarta lived Fadil Rahman, a name that echoed in business circles across Southeast Asia. A self-made millionaire, Fadil wore tailored suits, drove imported cars, and lived on the 57th floor of a glass apartment. To him, success was measured in digits, not deeds. Though born into a religious family, Fadil drifted far from faith. Salah became optional, and Ramadan meant overseas vacations. His philosophy? Life is short. Make the most of it. One evening, after signing a multi-million-dollar contract, Fadil fell into a deep sleep in his luxury chair. What followed was a dream he would never forget. He stood in a radiant airport terminal. Two gates stood before him, one to eternal gardens, glowing with serenity, the other, an abyss of shadows. He carried a suitcase, elegant, gold-trimmed, heavy in his grip. But when he unzipped it, it was completely empty. From behind a marble desk, an angelic figure asked, "Where are your deeds? Where is your prayer, your charity, your remembrance of Allah?" Fadil stammered, "I lived well. I gave a donation once, I think. I didn't harm anyone." The angel replied, "You packed for this world, but forgot to pack for the eternal journey." Fadil awoke in sweat. That night, he didn't return to sleep. He made wudu, prayed far in a masjid for the first time in years, and fell into sujud, crying. He didn't abandon his business, but he changed his priorities. He prayed all 5 salah, gave zakah quietly, and opened schools in villages without ever attaching his name. Every Friday, he spoke to youth in his masjid and brought an old suitcase. Holding it up, he would say, "One day you'll board your flight to the hereafter. Make sure your bag isn't empty." When Fadil passed away during sujud in the last third of the night, people from all walks of life attended his janazah, rich and poor, orphans and CEOs. One cleaner at his company said, "He gave me shoes every Eid, and he never told a soul." Lesson: this world is temporary. The true home is the hereafter. What we carry to the grave isn't our status, but our sincerity, prayer, and deeds.